Hey there, it's Tony from Hinge Outlet with another video to show all of the do-it-yourselfers out there how to get your project done the right way. Today we're going to teach you how to mortise out and install your door hinges. The tools you're going to need to install a new door hinge are the HingeMate 350, which comes with a door jig, drill bits, and everything you need to cut out your new door hinge, a drill of course, and the hinges and screws that come with the hinges. We also recommend using these other tools which are going to make your life a lot easier. The door lifter, a door holder, the Pro Hold magnetic screw holder, and a screw bag if needed. If you have a bunch of other screws, a screw bag can definitely help organize those much better. And here is the HingeMate 350, which we are going to use to mortise out our door so we can attach our hinge. So first off, we're going to put it on the door and we are going to attach it. Now that we've got the HingeMate 350 installed, our next step is going to be to use the drill bit that came with the tool, and we are going to mortise out the hinge area. Just a little tip, before you remove the HingeMate, grab your hinge, slide it in your fresh mortised area, and make sure that you've mortised it out enough. And we are good here. We're good to go. All right, now we're going to attach the hinge to the door. We do recommend taking your hinge apart so you have half the hinge before you attach it to the door. It's going to make it much easier when you actually install it to the door jamb. We're also using one of our Pro Hold magnetic wrist straps, which makes your life a lot easier because you can just attach the screws to right to that magnet, and they're not going to fall on the floor like you typically experience when you're installing these hinges. Another real cool tool we have here at Hinge Outlet is the door stand door holder by Trend, and it works really cool. You just install it at the base of the door and it'll hold your door upright, so it makes your job easier when you're mortising out the hinges. So now that you're done mortising out your door, you want to repeat this process on the door jamb side. So you want to come over here, attach the HingeMate 350 to your door jamb, and repeat the mortising process. Now that we've got the door and door jamb prepped, we can start working with the hinge here. We do recommend, if you're installing the door by yourself, to take the hinge apart. And we've got this cool little tool here called the pin popper, which is designed to do exactly that. So what we can do here is put the hinge down on a table, or I've got the door balanced right here. We can slide the pin popper in, and we can use a hammer and knock that pin out and take the hinge apart, and you're ready to go with installing the door to the door jamb. All right, now we're gonna finish up installing the other half of the hinges to the door jamb side. We're gonna screw that on, and we've got the other half installed on the door side. It's gonna make our life a lot easier with attaching the door to the door frame. All right, next we're gonna attach the door to the door frame. We've got this cool tool here called the door lifter by Trend, and it's gonna help us slide the door into position. Again, it's not required, but it makes our lives much easier, and we're all about making your life much easier here at Hinge Outlet. All right, now that we've slid the door into position, we're gonna pop the hinge pins in and we should be all set. And you wanna go ahead and repeat the steps for the top hinge and the bottom hinge. All right, hinges installed, doors swinging back and forth, great, and we're all set. Thanks for watching. For more tips, techniques, and information on these products, please visit us at hingeoutlet.com.